Vehicles equipped with the Operating System 7.0 provide the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant. If you want to have the full experience while using the personal assistant, make sure to have an active driver profile. In order to activate all relevant speech and learning functionalities, please first select Car. Then go to Settings. Select General Settings. Go to Data Privacy. Go to Configure Services and select BMW Connected Drive. For the full experience, make sure that the checkboxes Online Speech Processing, Activation with Hey BMW and Learn Personal Preferences are activated. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.